And welcome back to another nail video. Today I'm doing long square acrylic nails with a Christmas design. So if that's something you like to see, then stay tuned. And I'm using Young Nails acrylic in the color pink, as well as their monomer and my Panna Kalinsky brush in the size 12. And I pick up my first bead of acrylic and I place it kind of towards the free edge, and I pat and push that acrylic in place as I use the belly of my brush to gently glide that acrylic down the nail tip. And I placed my second bead of acrylic directly above the first, and this bead is a little larger bead, and as you can see it is a little runny, so I'm just using my nail brush to gently glide that acrylic back in place. I make sure that I clean my sidewalls. I work my way up the nail until I reach the cuticle area. Then I pick up a small drier bead and I use the tip of my brush to push the acrylic back towards the cuticle. And moving on to the pinky, I place a medium-sized bead of acrylic kind of towards the center of the nail, and I gently pat and push that acrylic in place. Now I didn't have quite enough acrylic to cover the nail tip completely, so I am going to add another bead directly in the center, and I pat and push that acrylic in place. And I gently use my nail brush to kind of glide that acrylic down so that it's smooth and no lumps or bumps. And then I place another bead of acrylic directly above the first, and I gently pat and push that acrylic in place. And then using the tip of my brush, I feather that acrylic down. And last but not least, the cuticle bead, and as you see here, it is a little runny, so I go ahead and clean that up. And I decided to add one more small bead towards the free edge because the acrylic was a little thin, and then I just feather the acrylic up so that it blends in, and then I move on to the next nail. I pretty much repeat the same steps for my acrylic application, so I'll just let you all watch and enjoy.
store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. If it ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore, cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stay too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. I'm this way, doing all these shows.
Here is my acrylic application only. And today I'm using my 8080 grit nail file to file and shape these nails. And as you know, shaping is my least favorite part of doing nails. However, I do think I'm getting much better, and I do think that the 8080 grit file helps a lot with a crispy, tight shape.
Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm going.
And here are the nails filed, shaped, and buffed. And today I am doing a Christmas design. So on my pinky finger, I am doing a French nail with the red gel polish. Now this is Beetle's red gel liner brush. I'm also going to be using their white gel liner brush, and I really love them a lot. So I did purchase them from Amazon. If you are interested, I will leave a link down in the description box below. And now I'm going in with the Beetle's white gel polish with my dotting tool, and I'm just creating some dots which I'm going to connect and make a snowflake.
Hey, we gotta.
And I switch it up on my ring finger. Half the nail is going to be this white, and then the other half I'm gonna do a red French with kind of like a candy cane design, and it actually turned out really, really cute. And I'm just doing a basic white French tip on my middle finger for now. But I am going to come back later on in the video and add a design. And on my index finger, I'm going for a peppermint design. So I'm using the white gel polish to make the outline, and then I'm going to come back in with the red.
For me, that's way too reckless. I'd get too jealous. Could you be from the east or overseas? I learned my lesson. I'm way too westy. Could you be my favorite ethnicity? I'm just undressing all of these sections of my face. Think it too hard. Think it too hard. But I really wanna do it. I can make this many songs. I'm a lady, and I haven't met her, but she on me heavy. I'm a seven better. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been kicked in the sun. In the middle, just intoxicated. Get way on you, get it like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. I'm amazing, better to my lady. I just wanna pleasure, check my catalog. Thinking I can make as many songs. I'm a lady.
And these are how the nails turned out. So cute and festive. Can you tell? I'm ready for Christmas. And I'm just getting so excited thinking about all the holiday sets I'm about to do, y'all. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next nail video.